Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the best LED taillights for your car to enhance both style and safety. These tail lights offer brighter illumination, longer lifespan, and a sleek modern design to upgrade your vehicle's look and visibility on the road. We'll review the top models, their standout features, and why they're perfect for any car enthusiast. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to give your car a stylish and functional upgrade, let's get started. Number 5. LED rear tail light for BMW X1. Upgrade your BMW X1 with a sleek and modern LED rear tail light assembly designed specifically for the 2016 to 2019 F48 and F49 models. Engineered for superior functionality and style, these taillights offer a seamless blend of aesthetics, performance, and reliability. Top-notch material quality. Made with high-quality ABS and LED materials, this tail light assembly ensures durability and resistance against daily wear and tear. The sturdy construction guarantees longevity, making it a valuable addition to your car. Enhanced safety and visibility. Featuring advanced LED technology, these tail lights provide bright and sharp illumination for brake warnings and turn signals. Enjoy improved visibility during nighttime and adverse weather conditions, ensuring a safer driving experience. Effortless installation. With a user-friendly design, this taillight assembly is simple to install, requiring no special tools or extensive mechanical expertise. It's a perfect choice for DIY enthusiasts or those seeking hassle-free car upgrades. Number 4. Xunder LED taillights. Give your Dodge Ram a sleek, modern upgrade with the Xunder LED taillights. Designed specifically for the 4th-gen Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models, these taillights not only enhance your truck's appearance, but also boost its visibility and safety with advanced features like startup animation and sequential turn signals. Premium LED upgrade. The Xunder LED taillights are equipped with high-quality LEDs that replace your factory halogen taillights. The result? A brighter, more energy-efficient light that lasts longer and looks stunning with every turn and brake. Eye-catching startup animation. These tail lights feature a dynamic startup animation that adds a futuristic flair to your truck. As soon as you power up your vehicle, these lights make a bold statement, setting your Dodge Ram apart from the rest. Seamless sequential turn signals. Number 3. Xunder WD-0185A BWB LED taillights. Transform the look and safety of your Ford Fiesta with the Xunder WD-0185A BWB LED taillights. Designed for the 2008 to 2017 7 Malawian Quatches and 7.5 Malawian Quatches Fiesta models. Number 2. Taillight Assembly Tail Light LED. Give your BMW 4 Series a striking new look with the Dragon Scale LED tail light assembly. Designed for the 2013 to 2020 F32, F33, F36, F82, and F83 models. Inspired by the fierce and elegant aesthetic of Dragon Scales, this tail light assembly offers more than just a stylish upgrade. It enhances visibility, safety, and driving experience. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the highway, these tail lights provide the perfect balance of form and function. Why choose the Dragon Scale LED tail light assembly? Unique Dragon Scale design. Stand out on the road with the Dragon Scale design of these taillights. This bold, aggressive style not only adds personality to your BMW 4 Series, but also complements its luxurious and sporty appeal. It's a design that speaks to performance and style, making a statement wherever you go. Advanced LED technology. Equipped with the latest LED technology, these tail lights offer brighter and more efficient illumination compared to traditional halogen lights. Whether it's the brake light, turn signal, or DRL, daytime running light, the LEDs deliver superior brightness and clarity, ensuring your presence on the road is noticed. Number 1. For BMW X5 E70 tail light. Upgrade your BMW X5 E70 with the LED sequential flowing tail light assembly, designed to deliver both enhanced style and safety. This premium tail light assembly is equipped with cutting-edge features like dynamic LED sequential turn signals, offering a bold, modern look while improving your visibility on the road. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.